Listen, hold him up, don't go away. Listen, kiss the bus. Listen, you walk side to top, okay? Walk north, in 5, south in 4, 3, 2, 1, labas na. Oh, this guy. Listen, you walk south, you walk north, walk north. Just walk north. Guide those to the choke. Keep walking. Heal. Yo, just reosi. Hold them up. Listen, engage my W, okay? Engage my W. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just engage my W. Listen, you come back now. Come back north. Yo, boarding against the side. We kite north. Demons. Listen, you walk out a bit, don't overcommit, okay? You walk out, hold me now, boarding against the side, W in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, W now, wow. Come back. Full kite. It's a fail. Come back southeast. We gotta fully reset. Full reset, cooldown. Hold him up. Man, that was a waste of engagement. Listen, come on. Listen, engage my W. Engage my E, okay? Listen, walks out. Walks outside. Hug the wall south. Listen, engage my E, okay? Engage my E only. Listen, you kite southeast. You kite southeast for now. Don't commit. Ready? Demons out. On top of it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of it now. Let's fucking DPS. Yo, listen. Kite west. Kite southwest side. The demons here. Demons crisis now. Border against the side. Your border against the side. Listen, you walk east, walk north, west side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You walk out west side, shallow. Listen, you kite west, you kite east, east side. Come northeast. You kite northeast. Hold him in a choke. Let the demons out. Listen, you walk. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the big choke. Listen. With the DPS, you kite north again. You kite northeast again. Border against the side. We kite northeast. Border against the side. As we kite northeast. The demons inside. Border against the side. Demons. Listen, border against the side. Walks out. On top of it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southside now. Get the DPS. Nice shit. You walk past now. West. Fucking W West, man. Walk west now. You're fucking delaying our rotation, man. Listen, come south now. Come south. Just walk south. We're gonna catch him soon. Listen, walk south. We're there now. Listen. Come aside. Yo, listen. We're gonna fucking get this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get you this guy. Come west now. Dude, we literally played them inside the fucking choke, man. They get baited 3 times. How the fuck we can't wipe them? Holy shit. Actually, 2 times. Listen, come south.
Which side?
South. Yeah. Just walk south on me. Come south. Just keep walking.
Northeast mo.
Got you. Listen, engage in my W. Walk. J now, give me J now. Listen, engage in my W. Listen. Hold on. Get the defense. Defense. Listen, the demons. On me. Double in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Tabas. Nice shit. Keep poking is now. Keep poking is. Southeast. Hold him in the southeast side. Listen, border against the side. Engage my W again. Okay, engage my W. Listen, hold down. Come southeast. To full rest. Yo, listen, come southeast. Nice guys. Demons was at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Listen. Come in. Yo, listen. You can Achille comes out. We're gonna rotate a bit. Comes out. Comes outside. Walks out with me. Walks out. Boys, so forget to pop your potions, man. Listen, walks out with me. Walks out with me. Walks out, walk west. Come west.
South.
Yeah, comes out. Engage this guy in 3, 2, 1. Engage in this guy. Full engage in this guy. And you come. Kill the guy and come. Kill this guy and come. Yeah, come. Just kill, finish the guy. Yo, come. Walk me. Listen. Yo, play offensive in the inside. Just play offensive in the inside. Just keep walking. Listen. Play offensive now. My death tanks, you need to stop them, okay? Listen. Just walk. Just keep walking. Just keep walking east. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Yeah, got you. Just keep walking. Kiss the bus. Just keep walking. Listen. Gino, give me Gino. Hold him in the choke. Notice it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice now. Fully get your taste. Listen, keep walking east. Just keep walking east. Just keep walking east. Get a turn. Listen, demons. Just walk into them. Listen, we're gonna watch up them soon. Play offensive now. Full CC, this guy. Listen, on the west side, okay, on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South to side on me. One shot now. No, keep walking notice. Just keep walking notice. Keep walking notice. Don't stay. Keep walking notice. Defense. Nice defense. Listen. Kill against the side. Come inside. Keep walking east. Southeast by the bridge. Southeast by the water bridge. You finish the guys inside. Now keep walking. If you can't see me, mount up. Listen, comes out now. If you can't see me, mount up. Walks out. Just walks out. Listen, can someone give me fucking food? Like any? I need local done food. Listen, walks out to me. Do you have any foods? Anything? But omelette plain or something? Wala? Just keep walking.
Wala.
Gago na mati sa pakyugar. Here, listen, kay walk.
Follow the crown.
Fingers pa ba rin baklaban natin?
Yeah, we're just clearing the fucking...
Ayun na daw.
Yo, come here. Yo, just engage my W, okay?
Haba tail.
Holy shit, come. Just come. Hold on me.
Sila.
Yeah, boys, listen, if I say engage my W, you need to engage my W now.
Wait.
Listen.
Sa'yo na
Get-
to, sa'yo to.
Hold the mapping. What's up, baby?
Oh, ito.
Hold the mapping.
Food.
Listen, come southeast. Thank you.
One screen away sa'yo, West.
West side, okay, got you. Listen, come northwest. We're gonna take the fight by the road. Listen, don't engage in my E, okay? Don't engage in my E. Listen, come north side. Don't go south, Come north. You know, be careful on the waypoint. Middle of the dungeon. Hold the mapping. Just keep walking north. Listen, if you see Infinity Blade, okay? 60 minutes, just walk for now. Walk for now. Yo, Ryosi. Yo, listen, engage my E again. Engage my W. Hold. Listen, come back. Full come back. Read the demons, okay? Read the demons now. Yo, listen, west side again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. Which is the top. Then you walk north. Just kite north in hill up. Listen, this time engage in my E, okay? Engage in my E.
Heal.
Heal up. Just use your wisdom. Listen, walk. Walk. Okay, come southeast. Yeah, boys, pop your boat southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop your boat southeast. Matap.
Nirarat sila?
Inang bedrock yan.
Yeah, guys, stay away from the blob when it comes out. Yeah, just zone it. Wait. GG boys. We take the win. Comes out first. If you have loots, okay.
May blob.
Oh, side quest.
What's this?
Layo ko.
Just come to me. It's okay, we're gonna wrap around if we have outlaw. We're gonna fight this blob. Mount up. Papaya pokpok.
Ma?
Yo, listen. Come to me. This is Yo, listen. Come to me. Dismount. Smart up, mate. Come southeast.
Nag-engage.
Come this northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hit shallow on the choke. Just hit shallow on the choke and commit. Come back. Southwest. Border against the side. This border against the side. Full ball this guy. Nice shit. Come east now. Hold the mapping. Yo, walk east. Walk east. Yeah, listen. Walk. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out the back. Nice shit. Keep walking southeast now. Keep walking southeast. Yo, finish against the side. Yo, full chase.
Ito kong bilis.
Ano yung mga cheater?